So afọ so na hwe nkronkuma amamoso ayo no nyamfo Ahmed Ibrahim ono so ede kokobo ma ban no se sika woyi wo afi bia mu se yemfa nkwohwe ahonidie ensam so no osi sika no wo fom pa nti e ba sa no ekokodi district assemblies ne ho a de esese wo moyie na wo de hwe ahonidie no wo fom nti da biara da ensuyire ennema bi etesa na ahwe dwun bo so yi ne da na etoso aduonu enkron ewa afim osede ensuyire ma do hom no so manye mu kanka ne nkran bumpuni mantamu a na enya sankuma ahonidie edimu akotene yie pa eno nti na ye rechesese yempese yebese hu bibio mu de a ene na sika ban ne de kwa district assemblies no ye omocommon funda efa kakra bi ne yeso omfa hwe ahonidie no aban no mia sika ni nsabe omode dodro no a ebekwa kwahwe ahonidie nsam beebi a yeto ye ball ahodro de go ni ade no yebe ye ni yie sebe ya ensuyire yebetumi amana bafom.
Pursuant to Section 126(3) of Act 936, the 2026 guidelines of the utilization of the District Assembly Common Fund have been issued, guaranteeing that every district receive at least 19 million Ghana cedis, representing over 90% of the expected total DACF for the year. This is a deliberate effort to ensure that assemblies have the fiscal space to invest in sanitation, water, and other essential services, and not merely to administer scarcity. But this, Mr. Chairman, may not be enough. In 2025, we disbursed 5.3 billion, and they were directed to use only 10% for sanitation. 10% of 5.3 billion is 503 million. So if the whole Ghana MMDAs are to use 503 million for the whole year, and you think that is enough, I beg to differ. So the 2026, we are disbursing 8.7 billion. And if assemblies has to use 10% of 8.7 billion, it will be 890 million. So with that, either the central government or Ministry of Finance support or PPP, what we witnessed on 29th June 2025 to 2026 may reoccur, and we may converge here and be doing lamentation.
We ayono nyamfo Ahmed Ibrahim so afọ so nkronkuma amamoso ahensam na fei esom emunsem